Adorned with a quaint front porch, this charming home with a one-car garage is located in the desirable Edgewood neighborhood. Step inside as the living room opens directly into the dining room, making entertaining guests easy. Through a set of French doors on the opposite side of the living room is a bright sunroom with walls of windows that provide plenty of natural light. The delightful eat-in kitchen features stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, and room for a casual dining area. Completing the main level are 2 bedrooms along with a full bath. Additional living space is available on the partially finished lower level, allowing you to create a rec room, playroom, or an at-home office. This home is close to Roger Williams Park, whose expansive grounds are home to a renowned zoo, a carousel village, and miles of scenic walking paths. Explore the shops and charming cafes of nearby Patuxent Village, or visit the marinas that line the shore of iconic Narragansett Bay. Downtown Providence is only minutes away from this attractive location, allowing you to commute to all of the award-winning theaters and restaurants. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Dacey at area code 401-527-6745.